terms of tips, I try to give you some tips and try to let you know how to avoid the mistakes I've done. Albergues, so the places you sleep, sometimes are really busy. So you get there, there's no space, and I recommend you to call before you get there. So maybe in the town before you exit your actual destination, you can call and ask if they have space. Because if they don't, you need to walk to the next, and it could probably be a long way. So be careful, bear that in mind. Also, guys, really be careful on the road. There are some parts of the journey which are on the street. The cars, they go quite fast as well sometimes, and again, we saw the accident yesterday. It's not nice. It's not something you want to assist to. So stay on the side. If you're crossing the road, double, triple check, left, right. I mean, don't care, seriously. Be careful, because it just ruins the day. Yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, when you're walking on the road, just walk on the side of the opposite direction. So if you're walking straight, you're walking on the side where the cars are coming towards you, so you can see each other. Okay, don't walk in the same direction of the cars. That's a tip. Something I didn't really like so far, and something I started to do, is to pack the bag in the evening, actually before 8, if you can, before going for dinner, because some pilgrims go to bed at 8, 9. So to avoid to make noise during the night or in the morning, as other pilgrims do, when I wake up, wash my face, pick up the bag, ready to go. In terms of pace of your walk, it's your walk. So don't mind the other pilgrims. Some people have years of experience. They go fast. They have a different physique, different stamina. So really take your pace. It's nice to walk in a group. That's what I love to do. Sometimes it's nice to walk on your own as well, because you get time to think about stuff. You've got time to pray if you pray. It's nice, but I like traveling with people, and the time really goes a bit faster, and you give to each other motivation and energy. But again, yeah, take your pace. Don't rush it, because that's when you're gonna injure, and it's not nice. If you need to stop, again, like in my case, I think it was a quite clear sign. So it got inflamed, it got red. I've got bumps all over the shin. I didn't want to push it because I want to get to Santiago, and I think if I had pushed it, I wouldn't probably get there. So it's better to rest a couple of days. Again, no one cares. It's not a competition. It's your journey, and this is part of my journey. So just accept it. It's nice. You got time to think. Go out, take pictures. Get a drone. That's much fun. Like, I want to follow a hawk now. I want to see what happens. But yes, take your time, do your things, and then if you want to stay with the other guys, as I'm doing, I'm taking a cab, or actually a girl is taking me with a car today. I'm skipping a couple of stops, and the best stops, as far as I know, so from the reviews, are the best stops. But your destination is Santiago, so you can come back next year, do it again from scratch. Don't forget also that from hut to hut, so from one stop to another, you need to carry your own food and water. And usually I carry 1 liter of water, 1.5, plus some snack, because I'm starving and I'm always eating. So bear that in mind. You're gonna add another couple of kilos to your bag. Food-wise, I would just carry literally a few snacks, like some peanuts, protein stuff. But literally just snacks. Don't carry anything bigger than that. You can find nice places. The food is cheap, is amazing. The portions are huge. Like literally, you ask for the Menú del Peregrino, which is a menu of the pilgrim, and you've got main course, first course, second course, dessert, coffee for 10 euros or 9, it depends, and you can go all day with that thing. And in the night, you just eat, again, fruit or a snack, and you're fine to go to bed. Important thing, the first night I ate too much, because I got basically one Menú del Peregrino for lunch and one for dinner, and I couldn't digest. So I went straight to bed, couldn't sleep until like 3 or 4 in the morning. So I had a really bad night. So stay light in the evening, get a good breakfast in the morning. You're gonna walk 4 hours, you stop, you get your Menù de Peregrino, it fills you up for the day, and you can go until 8 or 9 in the evening. Just eat a snack, go to bed, and you'll be ready as new for the next morning. If you want to buy some memories and gadgets and stuff, I would buy in Santiago. I haven't bought anything so far because that's weight you're gonna carry. So like La Concha, which is the shell, the scallop shell, I really want it, but I'm not gonna add it to my bag. Or even badges, stuff like that. Stuff you can get in Santiago before getting your flight. There's no need of carrying more weight, seriously guys. Just get rid of anything you don't need. In the evening, guys, do some stretching. Find 10 minutes to do stretching. You give flexibility and you put some oxygen back to your muscle, and it really helps to get up in the morning. Experience. Useless to say that people you meet are amazing, most of them. So far, I mean, it's been 4 days. I've been with the same people for 3 days, and you create a family in no time. But literally, it's emotional sometimes. It's something so strong. It's amazing. So enjoy, cherish every moment, enjoy the landscapes. They are great. Even in the rain, you know, just take the power of nature, because it's really cool and it regenerates you in a way. Enjoy your new Camino de Santiago family. Many people recommend it to get sun cream and protection. I didn't bring any. I don't regret it. I don't need it. I like to get a suntan. If you have a hat, that's something probably I would recommend. Definitely get a hat if you want to get the big one, like Indiana Jones kind of things. You can do that because it covers all around, and also in case of rain you can use it. Something that saved my legs are the sticks, the walking sticks. Totally recommend it. They're light. You can put it on the side of your bag, but in certain parts of the route you need it, because maybe you can go uphill for 5-10 kilometers, or downhill for the same amount of kilometers, and that kills your muscles, your bones, like everything. So the stick helps you to walk like an animal, so on fours, and it really get rid of all the shocks and impact on your knees and joints. And again, without those, my shin would have got much worse. So definitely a plus. All right, I hope you enjoy it. If you're going for Santiago, buon camino, and God bless. Speak in the next episode. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.